Thanks for joining me in this video today. If you're interested in building a website for your weight loss service, then you're in the right place because multi-sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available. So click on the link below this video. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top quickly. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, weight loss service. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business. Go ahead and put in our company name as well as our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your small business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for me. Now, the platform's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about that free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So, look at that. It's literally generated a simple website for my weight loss service in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look quickly together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images, maybe some transformation ones, and you want to showcase them on your website, maybe make one or two changes to that content. You can do that. It's super simple. So I'm going to quickly walk you through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little brief description and show you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and go ahead and put in my company email address. Awesome. I'm going to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our physical location if we've got one. Now, the great thing about that location, when your customers click on your physical location address at the top left hand corner, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Over here in the next section is where you can put in your various social media platforms that your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your multi site website so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Over here is where you can update your logo if you've got one. If you don't have one, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to crop it to fit into that section a little bit better, add filters, frames, decorate it, you can do so by clicking on that pencil over there. Once your logo is saved, you can make it bigger and smaller as well. Awesome. Now, if you want to change the colors on your Marty Sites website that have been pre-selected for you as well, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Over here is where you can update your images if you've got your own browser device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Play around with the keywords a little bit, search for various keywords, and see which images pop up that are suitable for you to use. Now, with the buttons on your website, you can update them as well, link them to various places, click on update content, change the button text if you wish, and choose link. As I said, you can link to various places like different websites or another parts of your multi site websites or an action like click to call directions or click to email. The content again was all pre-written for you as a guideline. You can amend it. Just click on update section for each section and amend the image as well. Upload one of your own if you want to. Now at the bottom over here, we've got a contact form so your customers can easily reach out to you. You will get notified via email that you have a new lead via this platform. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase your domain via the Mighty Size platform by clicking on I want a new domain. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your weight loss service. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, any questions or concerns, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.